Welcome back, students. So today we have question number 9, simplify. So first we distribute the exponent in all of them. So we have 3 cube times, we have cube here on x squared, then we have cube here on y4. Now we multiply, so 3 cube 27 times x, that is 2 times 3 is 6, right? And then y is 4 times 3 is 12. So this is the answer, 27 x 6 y 12, right? Now we do again into the next question. The same one, we distribute the exponent in all of them, or we do something more like -3/2. Okay, so if we just take the exponent 3 and instead of 1/2 we just write the square root. Okay, so we have x 16th y wait, I just miss one step, and the step is we have -3/2, right? So first we make -3/2 to +3/2. So that means we shuffle this 16 and we have the 3/2. Now we do this step, that is we take the cube and we 1 square, then x 16 y 8 over 16, right? Now we take the square root, so we have x 8 and then we have y 4 over 4 and we have cube. Now we multiply cube on, we placed cube on all of them, so we show this step, that is x8 and cube times y4 cube over 4 cube. So x 24 times y, we have 12, right? And then 4 cube, that is 64. So this is the answer, x 24 y 12 and 64, right? Now we have the next question. So this is very simple one. We factorize this one. This we apply the a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b and a minus b, right? So that means x plus 3 and x minus 3, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Now we have the next question. So I think this question is the free marks, like, because this is very easiest question. So we have, if we see the denominator, we have the expression, so that is we split into 2 into 2. Okay, so first we have 2x minus 6y, right? So 2xy minus 6y, and then the next one we have, that is the 5x minus 15th. So first one we take the common, that is 2y, so we have x minus 6 is left, x minus 3 is left, not 6. Wait, okay. Then into the next one we have the 5, then we have the same, x minus 3 is left. Now we have x minus 3 and 2y plus 5. Okay, so this is the denominator, x minus 3 and 2y plus 5. And if you see the numerator, so it's same as the above one, so we just write x plus 3 and x minus 3. So x minus 3 and x minus 3 are cancelled down, so we get the answer, that is x plus 3 over 2y plus 5. Okay, now we move to the next question. So in this question, solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we have y equals to first we set this equation for y, so y equals to 7 minus 2x. Okay, then 7 minus 2x, that is equals to 5x square plus 2x negative 13th. Right, we move all of this onto this side, so we get 0. So 5x square negative 2x here, when it's moved to the right hand side, so we have the positive 2x. So positive 2x and positive 2x, we have the 4x, right? And then 7, so here we have negative 7, so negative 20. So this is the quadratic equation we have, or it's your choice. You apply the quadratic formula or the quadratic or the factorize this one. So I just simply calculate it with the calculator here. So we get the value of the x1, that is 1.6396, and the x2, that is negative 2.4396, right? Now we find the corresponding y values. So y equals to 7 minus 2x. We just substitute the positive one to get the answer. So y equals to 7 minus 2 times 1.6396, right? We multiply it and solve it, so we get 3.7208. We should substitute both values because we have the two answer of the x, so we need two answer for the y. Okay, so now we substitute the next value, that is 7 minus 2 times negative 2.4396. Okay, so we get 11.8792. So the answer we have, when we have the x is 1.64, so the y is 3.72. Okay, and when we have the 2.44, negative 2.44, so we have 11.88. So this is the complete solution of the question number 9, right? I hope this one is clear.